This video here I wanted to do is basically demoing Wave.video. It's a live streaming video program that I kind of like. It's pretty quick. It's got a small footprint, and I plan on doing a whole bunch more of these demos of tools that I like. So if you would do me a favor and subscribe below and like the video, and let's get on with this demo. So like I said, this is Wave.video, and we're going to demo how to add a voiceover to a video. And so I'll start by going into my projects, and I'll create a new video so you can get the full picture. We'll do a blank video, and it's pretty straightforward in walking through it. They have really good tutorial videos as well if you're trying to really figure out how to do something. So right now we're in the editor, and I've already uploaded some media, so I don't have to upload. I'll just choose that from my library, my uploads, and then we will use this video here.
Is it time for a new approach to your marketing? Let's talk. Contact.
So that video comes from a program I belong to, and I wanted to use it for this demo because it has a female voice. And somebody asked in one of our calls a couple weeks ago about what programs that we use to do voiceover or text-to-speech type voiceovers if there's anything out there. And I said I like this program. So in this case, I have this video with a female voice. I have saved out this, saved out the words to the video that I want to say. So there's two things that I have to do. One, I have to do text to create the text to voice, which is using this button here. But the first part, I have to get rid of the female voice. So to do that, it's fairly straightforward in this particular program. Is you can take the video volume, because that's what this is, the video volume right now, down to 0. And then if we hit play, you hear no voice. So now what I've done is I need to go to text to voice. I have saved out what I wanted to say here. I'm going back to this one, going back to my text to speech, and going to paste it in here. Oh, there it is. So basically this is the text to speech that I'm going to have generated. I use Matthew as a voice. There's quite a few others, but that's a pretty decent male voice that I'm using. So so now we just hit generate. It generates it fairly quickly.
Isn't it time for a new approach to your marketing? Let's talk. Contact us today for a free discovery call.
So with that, we can say add to the video. And it processes a few seconds, and boom, there it is. And now I'll just move the text part to cover the whole video. Now it's there. If we listen to it.
Isn't it time for a new approach to your marketing? Let's talk. Contact us today for a free discovery call.
There it is. And we'll take and delete this text layer, because by default it came in as a text layer, a new text layer. We'll get rid of it there and there. And now we have the video
discovery call
and text to speech. So Wave.video is fairly easy to do that with. So now we took the female voice out. We've added text to speech with a male voice, and now what we can do is we can publish this, and it gives us a number of ways. We can just do a text or a GIF, or I'm gonna do a video, and I will render it 1080 and make it optimized. and it'll render it and drop it into the studio of Wave.video, and it'll also do a download if I wish to have a download. So I hope that helps. Again, like and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to do a few more videos. I've got a lot of AI tools I use. I also have another couple of video tools I use. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I look forward to doing another. And if you have any suggestions for other things you'd like to see, put in the comments below, and I'll put the link to Wave.video as well in the comments. So hope you like the video.